There was a young woman named Maya who was fascinated with the mysteries of the universe. She believed that thoughts could become a reality and embarked on a journey to discover successful manifestation techniques. Maya read books, attended workshops, and tried different methods but wanted more tangible results. One day, Maya found an old journal in a bookstore. The journal belonged to a renowned mystic who claimed to have unlocked the secrets of manifestation through ancient techniques passed down through generations. Excited, Maya read the journal and absorbed the wisdom and insights. The methods had a profound impact on her reality. One of the most potent manifestation techniques Maya discovered was the art of visualization. Every day, she would close her eyes and imagine herself living the life of her dreams. She would visualize every detail with crystal clarity, from the sights and sounds to the emotions and sensations, until it felt as though her desires were already a reality. Maya understood that visualization alone was not sufficient to achieve her desired outcomes. She needed to align her thoughts, beliefs, and actions with her aspirations. Thus, she practiced affirmations, repeating positive statements that reinforced her confidence in manifesting her ideal life. Over time, Maya felt that she was getting closer to her goals. Opportunities unexpectedly arose, and signs guided her toward her objectives. However, Maya discovered the most effective technique was the practice of gratitude. Every night before going to bed, she would take a few moments to reflect on the blessings in her life and express sincere gratitude for all she had received. As she immersed herself in the energy of gratitude, Maya felt a profound shift within herself. She no longer focused on scarcity or limitation, and instead directed her energy to abundance and possibility, knowing that gratitude was the key to unlocking even greater blessings in her life. Maya watched in amazement as her dreams began to come true. Opportunities flowed to her quickly and surrounded her with abundance, love, joy, success, and fulfillment. But Maya knew that the real magic of manifestation was in the outer manifestations and the transformation within her. During her journey, she discovered the power of her thoughts and beliefs to shape her reality. She vowed to use this knowledge to create a life of purpose and meaning. With the ancient wisdom she had uncovered and the newfound understanding of her own power, Maya embarked on a journey full of wonder and possibility. She knew that she could achieve anything with the right mindset and techniques. We all know that achieving our goals requires more than merely thinking or chanting about something we want. However, where we focus, we tend to go. Our mindset plays a crucial role in shaping our thoughts, and our thoughts shape our behaviors. When we believe that we can do something, we often can. This is what some people call the law of attraction. Visualizing what we want is a simple yet effective manifestation method that can help us achieve our goals, although it won't magically bring them to life. If you want to turn your dreams into reality, learning how to manifest your goals can be the first step. Manifesting means turning your aspirations, goals, and dreams into reality by believing you can achieve them. The concept is grounded in the idea that by focusing your thoughts and energy on what you want and accepting that you can have it, you can make it happen. Instead of thinking negatively and saying something like, "I can never afford this dream house," shift your mindset to, "I can work hard and make my dream house a reality." This change in thought can help bring your dreams to life. The power of positive thinking is to be considered. Our mindset determines how we see the world and take advantage of opportunities. As per the law of vibration, You always vibrate at a specific frequency, defined by your most common thoughts and emotions. This frequency has the power to attract similar vibrations. Therefore, what you repeatedly think, feel, and believe shapes your vibration and, consequently, what you attract into your life. This process is constantly at work, operating behind the scenes. However, when you take control of your thought patterns, elevate your emotions, and improve your beliefs, you can define what you attract into your reality. This powerful practice of consciously tapping into the natural law of the universe and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with what you wish to attract is known as manifestation. Visualization is a technique that involves imagining and picturing the desired outcome in your mind as if it has already been achieved. It requires using all 5 senses, including sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing, to create a vivid and realistic mental image. The key to successful visualization is defining clear and specific intentions and goals. This provides a blueprint for the subconscious mind to take action. Visualizing helps to focus your subconscious mind on achieving your goals. It serves as a constant reminder of what you want to achieve and trains your brain to respond as if the desired outcome has already been accomplished in the present moment. Visualization is a powerful technique that allows you to create a vivid mental image of yourself achieving your goals and aspirations. By fully engaging your senses and emotions, you can trick your brain into believing that your imagined future state is already a reality. To begin, choose a moment in the future that you want to bring to life. Imagine where, what you're doing, and who's around you. Focus on the details. What do you see, hear, smell, and taste? What emotions do you feel? If you can genuinely believe in your vision, achieving it is possible. However, it's essential to understand what truly matters to you and why. This will help you to stay focused and motivated as you work towards your goals. With practice, visualization can become a powerful tool to help you manifest your desired life. In conclusion, visualization and positive thinking are powerful tools that help us unlock our full potential and achieve our deepest desires. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with our intentions, we tap into the infinite possibilities within us. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, let us cultivate a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and unwavering faith. We should believe in ourselves and our dreams, knowing they are not mere fantasies, but powerful manifestations waiting to unfold. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.